I'm back with another video, folks, and yeah, I'm back in Utica, New York, rail fanning again. If I had to remember the last time I was here.
This is a boarding call for Amtrak Maple Leaf Train 64 en route to New York Penn Station with intermediate stops at Amsterdam, Schenectady, Albany, Rensselaer, Hudson, Rhine, Poughkeepsie, Croton, Harmon, Yonkers. Passengers should proceed to track 2. Please remove any travel documents from the envelope and have them ready for scanning by the conductor. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
So yeah, folks, last time I came here rail fanning for this year though was back in January of this year for the train show that was here at the station. And yeah, that was the last time I came rail fanning here. And yeah, so I figure I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I am actually gonna walk down to this end of the platform, and I'm actually gonna get in front of the engine if I can. And yeah, man, I haven't came this far to this station in years. Yeah, Amtrak 64, the Maple Leaf is coming. And yeah, as you can see, these are CT rail coaches. And folks, I've seen these many times on Train Simulator and on YouTube and everything. And I've seen these once in person, and no, these are not anything like from this area. These are definitely from Connecticut, used for their CT rail in Connecticut, like the New Hartford line or whatever. That goes for like Hartford, Connecticut to like Springfield, like things like that, in like Massachusetts and like Connecticut. But yeah, no, these coaches are not from this area at all. They are not from Utica, New York at all. So I don't know what they're doing all the way out here in Utica, New York, but that's kind of a mystery though, but whatever. So yeah, so we're gonna come over here. I'm just gonna stand right here. For now, I'll wait. All right, maybe I better not go too far then, because because it says warning, no dumping, no trespassing. All right, you know what? Yeah, I was gonna go down there, but I don't know if you can, so I'm just gonna play it safe and just stand right here. So yeah, I'll get back on the video once it arrives. So right now, I'm just gonna stand right here where I am and not even go past this pole and that sign and that yellow sign right there, because yeah, I don't want to get in trouble and I just want to play it safe. So yeah. All right, here comes the Amtrak 64, the Maple Leaf, coming from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and it's going to New York Penn Station, New York City. And yeah, and there she is, folks. At least I did not have to go all the way down there. That would, I think usually the engines would park way down there if it was like a longer train like the Lakeshore Limited. But yeah, these are the shorter ones. So yeah, oh, I think I can see the engineer in the cab. Oh yeah, I can see him. I can see the engineer in the cab. Look at that, folks. have a good one. Guys, I got to meet an actual Amtrak engineer. Look at that. He was so cool. I legit got to meet the engineer who's driving this train. I'm not even kidding you guys. Like, legit. I'm not even kidding you. Like, I'm not even joking at all. Like, when I tell you he was the nicest engineer, oh my God. Folks, he was the nicest guy. His name was Christopher, I believe. And yeah, no, so if that was his name, Christopher, yeah. What does he do? He comes out of the cab and everything and approaches me, and yeah, we're talking for like 3 minutes and everything about trains and that, and about Amtrak and all that. And yeah, it was just so cool though, and it was just really nice of him for him to go out of his way and everything and all that. And yeah, and then our conversation, I mean, I think we were gonna talk a little bit more, but then our conversation interrupted until we had a CSX freighter come through. It was a mixed freighter, and yeah, but then while the train was going through, here we go, while the train was going through, he had to get going, so yeah, which I can understand because they got a busy schedule and all that, so yeah. And there he is, folks, there he is. There's Christopher. That was so awesome. My God, that was so freaking awesome. Wait for me! Folks, this is Railfan of the Year. No doubt, no, this is Railfan Moment of the Year right here. Awesome. Yeah, no, so Christopher and I, that engineer of that Amtrak train, yeah, we were talking. Yeah, he was so kind to go out of his way come off the engine of the cab, and yeah, we were just talking like 5 minutes, something like that, and then our conversation interrupted because we had a CSX mixed freighter come through, and then while the CSX was still going through, he had to get going, so we didn't get to finish our conversation. But I understand that, yeah, they have a busy schedule ahead of them and everything, and yeah, no, it was cool though. Just talking about talking most about Amtrak trains and like what like life's like on the road, being a engineer, conductor, things like that. But yeah, no, it was just so freaking awesome, folks. I'm so happy right now. All right, that's it for today's video, folks. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.